Welcome to my channel.
Honor X40 GT with 144Hz refresh rate display, 66W fast charging support launched. Honor X40 GT was launched in China on Thursday at a live event hosted by the company. The new Honor smartphone sports a 144Hz refresh rate display and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC. The phone comes with a triple rear camera unit headlined by a 50-megapixel primary camera. It offers up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. The game-focused handset has an 8-layer graphite cooling pad for thermal management. The Honor X40 GT also packs a 4800 mAh battery with 66W fast charging support. Honor X40 GT price, availability. The Honor X40 GT is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan, roughly 22,900 rupees, for the base 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage model. The 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant has a price tag of 2,299 Chinese yuan, roughly 26,300 rupees. Both variants are currently available for pre-reservations in China in Magic Night Black, Racing Black, and Titanium Empty Silver, translated, color options via the Honor Mall website. It will go on sale later this month. Details regarding the global availability and pricing of the new Honor X40 GT are yet to be revealed. Honor X40 GT specifications: the dual SIM, Nano, Honor X40 GT runs on Android 12-based Magic UI 6.1, and features a 6.81-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 144Hz refresh rate, and 480Hz touch sampling rate. The display has narrow bezels and a hole punch cutout to house the selfie shooter. The new Honor handset is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC. Coupled with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage. The inbuilt memory can be virtually extended to an additional 7GB by utilizing unused storage. It comes with Honor's GPU Turbo X graphics acceleration engine. Further, there is a 13-layer VC liquid cooling system with an 8-layer graphite cooling pad for heat dissipation during gaming sessions. For optics, Honor X40 GT features a triple rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. The rear cameras are arranged in a large ring along with LED flash as well as GT branding. For selfies, Honor has provided a 16-megapixel selfie shooter at the front. The handset offers up to 256GB of onboard storage. Connectivity options on Honor X40 GT include 5G, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC, and USB Type-C port. There is also a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The phone packs a 4800 mAh battery that supports 66W fast charging.